other leaders around the world have had similar experiences. I think it brings home for us all the reality of this virus, and no one is special in that regard. We're all potentially exposed to this virus. The virus doesn't really know who we are, whether we're prince or pauper. We're equally vulnerable, and I think what it really highlights is our collective vulnerability to this disease. So we wish Mr. Bolsonaro and his family the best in this regard. It is a time in any Brazil is a great nation that faces a difficult task and a difficult time. The numbers in Brazil have stabilized over the last number of days, and certainly the reproductive number across many of the states, while it still hovers above 1, it has moved down. However, the hospital system still remains under some pressure, and while it is still coping, and again with great regard to the skill and commitment of health workers all over Brazil, but hospital occupancy and ICU bed occupancy is still coping, but it's in many cases near critical. So Brazil faces many of those challenges. We hope, as I've said here previously, that Brazil can continue to develop and deliver the response at federal, state and at local level, that we see the unity of purpose and the sustained application of the comprehensive strategy that we have advocated for a very, very long time. And we trust that if Brazil can bring all of its health system, public health system, and its communities together, that Brazil can continue to make progress in the face of this disease. But I think the message to us all is we are all vulnerable to this virus.